Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get sick all the time while others never catch a cold? Or why your friend can eat pizza every day and stay skinny while you gain weight just looking at carbs? The answer might be hiding in your gut, and what I'm about to tell you could completely change how you think about your health. Your gut isn't just responsible for digesting food, scientists are now calling it your second brain, and for good reason. Inside your intestines live trillions of bacteria that are literally running the show when it comes to your immune system, your mood, your weight, and even your skin. But here's the kicker. Most of us are walking around with gut bacteria that's completely out of whack and we don't even know it. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine your gut as a bustling city with different neighborhoods. In a healthy gut city, you've got the good bacteria living in harmony, keeping the bad guys in check, maintaining the infrastructure, and making sure everything runs smoothly. But in most people's guts, it's like a post-apocalyptic wasteland where the bad bacteria have taken over, the infrastructure is crumbling and chaos reigns supreme. This bacterial imbalance doesn't just affect your digestion, it's like having a corrupt government in your body that influences every major system. Your gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters that directly communicate with your brain. In fact, about 90% of your body's serotonin, the happy chemical, is actually made in your gut, not your brain. So when your gut bacteria are unhappy, guess what? You're probably going to feel anxious, depressed, or just off. But the rabbit hole goes deeper. Your gut lining acts like a fortress wall deciding what gets into your bloodstream and what stays out. When this wall gets damaged, a condition scientists call leaky gut, things that shouldn't be in your blood start sneaking through. Your immune system freaks out and starts attacking everything, including your own tissues. This is how gut problems can trigger autoimmune diseases, chronic inflammation, and a whole cascade of health issues. Let's talk about weight for a second. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right but still can't lose weight? Your gut bacteria might be sabotaging your efforts. Different types of bacteria extract different amounts of calories from the same food. Some people have bacteria that are incredibly efficient at harvesting energy from food, while others have bacteria that are basically lazy and let calories pass right through. It's like having a slow metabolism built right into your digestive system. The skin connection is absolutely mind-blowing. Dermatologists are starting to realize that many skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis aren't really skin problems at all. They're gut problems that show up on your skin. Your gut bacteria influence inflammation throughout your body, and your skin is often the first place you'll see the warning signs. Fix the gut, and the skin often clears up naturally. Here's where it gets really interesting. Your gut bacteria don't just respond to what you eat, they actually influence what you crave. Certain bad bacteria literally hijack your brain's reward system and make you crave the foods they want to eat, which happen to be sugar and processed junk. It's not a lack of willpower that makes you reach for that donut. It's billions of bacteria in your gut screaming for their favorite food. Off topic for a few seconds, please like and subscribe to this channel so I can quit my job and post content on YouTube full-time. So what destroys this delicate bacterial ecosystem? The usual suspects are antibiotics, which are like dropping a nuclear bomb on your gut city. They kill the good bacteria along with the bad, leaving behind a wasteland that bad bacteria and yeast can easily colonize. But even more insidious are the everyday things we consume without thinking. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria and yeast, helping them multiply and take over. Processed foods contain preservatives that are literally designed to kill bacteria, and they don't discriminate between good and bad. Chronic stress is another gut destroyer. When you're stressed, your body diverts resources away from digestion and immune function. Your gut lining becomes more permeable, your good bacteria die off, and inflammation skyrockets. It's like your stress is poisoning your gut bacteria, which then send distress signals back to your brain, creating a vicious cycle. Even seemingly healthy choices can backfire. Those artificial sweeteners in your diet soda? They're changing your gut bacteria composition in ways that can actually make you gain weight and develop glucose intolerance. Non-stick cookware, certain medications, and even too much intense exercise can disrupt your bacterial balance. But here's the good news. Your gut bacteria can change remarkably quickly. Within just a few days of changing your diet, you can start shifting the bacterial landscape in your favor. The key is feeding the good bacteria what they want, while starving the bad bacteria of their preferred foods. Fiber is like fertilizer for good bacteria, but not just any fiber. Your good bacteria crave diverse plant fibers from vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. The more variety, the better. Each type of plant fiber feeds different beneficial bacteria, helping create a diverse, resilient ecosystem. Fermented foods are like sending in reinforcements. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha contain live beneficial bacteria that can help recolonize your gut. But quality matters. Many commercial fermented foods are pasteurized, which kills the beneficial bacteria, or they're loaded with sugar that feeds the bad guys. Sleep is crucial for gut health. Your gut bacteria have their own circadian rhythm, and when you mess with your sleep schedule, you mess with their daily activities. Poor sleep leads to less diverse gut bacteria and more inflammation. Movement helps too, but in a surprising way. Exercise increases the diversity of your gut bacteria and helps maintain the integrity of your gut lining. You don't need to become a marathon runner. Even gentle walking can make a difference. The connection between gut health and overall wellness is becoming impossible to ignore. Your gut isn't just involved in digestion. It's the control center for your immune system, your mood regulation, your weight management, and even your skin health. When you heal your gut, you often see improvements in areas you never expected. The beautiful thing about focusing on gut health is that it addresses root causes rather than just symptoms. Instead of taking different medications for different problems, you're supporting the foundation that influences everything else. Your gut truly might be the root cause of many modern health issues, but it's also the key to unlocking your body's natural healing potential.